In this video, I will show you how you can install Facebook on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. Now over here, just make sure that your iPad is connected with your Wi-Fi network. After that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. Now over here, just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open the App Store. In the App Store, just tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner on the screen. And also over here, just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After you've done that, now just tap on anywhere on the screen, then tap on the search icon over here. And in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on Facebook and select Get. Now from here, just select Install. Now it will ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID. Just enter the password of your Apple ID to continue the installing process. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then just tap on Confirm to start installing Facebook on your iPad. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Facebook on our iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.